Hi again. You guys are ready for another video? I hope so. I hope so. You are ready. You are ready. Smile like this. Okay, we are ready. I believe. Now, um, we're going to answer the last video's question, which is what is the remotest uh, island in the world? Remotest, which means the farthest, the very farthest island in the world, which is Bouvet Island. Bouvet, B. It's right here. Bouvet. Bouvet. Bouvet Island. It sounds like buffet, like food. You know, you go to a cafeteria and you eat a buffet. Bouvet, Bouvet Island. This is the remotest island, and it is 1,056 miles from Queen Maud Island in East Antarctica. East and Antarctica. Okay. Bouvet Island, East Antarctica, is the farthest, the remotest island in the world, which means you can hardly reach it by any means. I don't know how you get there, but it's extremely far. Now let's do division. Let's say we have to divide 500 by 10. Let's start slowly. By 10. Okay, so 10 is on the bottom. Okay, and 500 divided by 10. Okay, remember, any number has decimal point. Any number like this 500, there's no decimal point, but we can make it with decimal point by putting decimal point and saying 0, 0, right? And 0 also. It's okay. Three zeros or 2 zeros to the right of the decimal point, the same thing. Okay, so this number we have, it has decimal point. Since we are dividing by 10, so we move the decimal point what? To the right or to the left? To the left. Why? Because we are dividing. So this decimal point, we move it to the left one location. So the decimal point becomes here, over here. See? Because we are dividing by 10. So the answer is 50. 500 divided by 10, which means how many uh, uh, 10 in 500? There's 50 tens in 100. Okay? And that is your answer. 50. 500 divided by 10 is 50. Okay? Let's do another example. Okay? How about 500 by 100? Divided by 100. Okay? Okay. Which means, what does that mean? What is 500 divided by 100? It's actually 500 the same like this, right? Divided by 100. Okay, you got that? Okay, by 100, so it's equal to what? 500 divided by 100 is 5. Why? Why did we get 5? I'll show you. 500, 500, decimal point is where? Over here. There's 2 zeros here. Okay, okay, 2 zeros. And since we are divided by 100 by 2 locations, since we are dividing, so we take this decimal point 2 location to the left because we are dividing. If we are multiplying, we move it to the right. If we are dividing, we move it to the left. So this decimal point becomes over here. Okay, so it's gonna be 5.00, which is actually the same like 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay, okay. How about that? Now I'm gonna show you one more thing, which is a little bit tricky. Okay. If you see number like this, 10 and exponent negative 2, okay, this actually means this. Actually, this one here, 1 divided by 100. This is the same like this. This one here, 1 over 100, is the same like this. Aha! Okay. So when you see negative on the exponent, means the number has 2 zeros, but in the denominator, on the bottom, that's what it means. Please pay attention, okay? Now let's do another example. Okay, how about we do 10, okay, exponent negative 3. What's that mean? So we have a fraction or a division. Okay, 1 on the top and 10 on the bottom. And since we have 3 over here, so we have 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. Okay. That's what it means. 10 exponent negative 3 means the 3 over here is on the bottom. It's division. 1 over 1,000. Now, okay. How about we multiply 2 times 10 to the negative 2, exponent negative 2. So what's that mean? We just break it down. 2 times 10, I'm sorry, 1 over what? 10 on the bottom. 10, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros. So 2 times 1 over 100. Why 100? Because this 2 here. 2, and then we have 10. So 10 on the bottom and with 2 zeros. Okay? Okay. 1. Okay. So the answer is what? Equal 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. And on the bottom, 1. See, any number has denominator 1, right? Any number has denominator 1. So on the bottom is 1 times 100, which is 100. And that is your answer, 2 over 100. 2 over 100. Okay? Okay. So 2 times 10 to the exponent negative 2 is 2 over 100. Actually, what we can do is multiply this by 2 times 100 over 2. or actually 2 over 100, we divide this by 2 is 1, and we divide this by 2 also, so it's going to be 50 on the bottom. Anyway, we're going to learn this in the next videos, how to simplify fractions and equations. Okay, so 2 over 100 is the same like 1 over 50, the same thing, same fraction. If you divide 2 by 100 and you divide 1 divided by 50, you will have the same answer. But let's not get into that now. Okay, now we will see you next video. What is next video question is? What is the next video's question will be? Let me see. Let me see. Next video will be, what is the longest island arc? Which means islands next to each other and makes many islands, and like arc, like half a circle, or part of a circle. That's what arc is. Anyway, what is the longest island arc? We will see you next video to answer that question. Thank you so much. You are doing great. Thank you so much. All right. All right.